Hello student. In our previous lecture, we have started derivation of depression in freezing point and we are deriving our derivation up to the equation number 7. That is delta TF is equal to RT0 F square into W2 upon LF into M2 into W1. So this is our last equation from our last lecture. Let us see the next. By definition of molality, small m, it is a number of moles of solute per kg of solvent. We have derived this definition in our first lecture. Now again see, molality small m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kg. We know the number of moles of solute denoted by symbol N2. Weight of solvent, always remember, for solvent we have to take 1, so it is a W1, and in kg is there, that's why multiplied by 1000. Therefore small m is equal to N2 divided by W1 into 1000. Again, how to calculate the number of moles of N2? That is weight upon molecular weight. Thus W2 upon M2 into W1 in a kg. Therefore molality small m is equal to W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So by definition of molality we get a new formula, that is small m is equal to W2 into 1000 upon M2 into W1. Just rearrange the equation. 1000 in the right hand side of the equation come to the left hand side and we get m divided by 1000 is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1. This is our equation number 8, where M1 is a molecular weight of solvent, W1 is a weight of solvent, M2 is a molecular weight of solute, W2 is a weight of solute. So students, please note, always we have to use 1 for a solvent and 2 for a solutes. That's why in this derivation we have used M1 for solvent, that is the molecular weight of solvent, again W1 weight of solvent. So for solvent we have to always use as a 1, for a solute we have to use as a 2. Now when we put this value, then equation 1 become, again see, delta TF is equal to RT0 F square upon LF into W2 upon M1 into W1. This is our equation number 7. And our last slide we have derived equation number 8, that is M divided by 1000 is equal to W2 upon M2 into W1. Equation number 8. Now putting equation 8 in equation 7, we get, just replace the W2 upon M2 into W1 with M by 1000. We get our new equation, that is delta TF is equal to RT0 F square upon LF into M divided by 1000. Now delta TF is equal to RT0 F square upon LF M divided by 1000. Now in this RT0 F square divided by LF by 1000 is a constant called as KF, where KF, therefore delta TF is equal to M into KF. This is our last equation, equation number 9, and we prove that delta TF is equal to M into KF. Since KF is a constant and it is called as molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant, thus delta TF is directly proportional to molality. We get a new definition. Thus, the depression in a freezing point of a liquid is directly proportional to molality of a solution. So student, I hope you are getting everything, each and every step in our equation. Please note down all the steps in your notebook and try to solve this derivation 2 times. It is big, but it is very easy. I hope you are getting everything. If next part is a definition of KF. Now what is a KF? It is a cryoscopic constant. It is defined as depression in a freezing point when 1 mole of solute added to 1 kg of solvent. We know KF is a molar depression constant. So when we get a depression, when we add the solute into the pure solvent. So how much solute we have to add? When we add the 1 mole of solute into the 1 kg of solvent, then we get KF, that is depression in a constant point. So by formula, KF is equal to RT0 F square upon LF into 1000. Now putting the all values, that is the universal gas constant, temperature and the latent heat of fusion, just putting value, we get this. After solving this, we get final equation, that answer, that is 1.86 kilo kg per mole. Kilo kg per mole is a unit of KF. So you have any query regarding this topic, contact me personally. Dear student, please share, like and subscribe my channel. I hope you are getting everything. Thank you.